Okay, you're going to be using this worksheet. Okay, if you can print it, brilliant. If you can't print it, then all you need is a copy of this table anyway, under the title of Required Practical 2, Investigating the Effect of an Antibiotic on Bacterial Growth. There's a bit of an introduction, then here's the link. So when you click on that link, it will take you to this online simulator. So this is my version of it here, and you're going to I can change the type of bacteria. You're always going to use Micrococcus luteus. Okay, so you're going to leave that as it is. It gives you a little method and results and analysis. There's a video for you to watch first of all. So watch that video and there's some questions on that later on. In fact, most of the questions are going to be on the technique that the lady uses to do that. So you need to be on, once you've watched that video, then I want you to collect the data. And on the results table that I gave you, you're going to go between 2 and 10 units of penicillin. I can change that here. So I want to start with 2 units, and then you're going to go to 4 and 6 and 8 and 10. Don't use theirs, please. They've gone 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It'll take you forever. So we're just going to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just to prevent you going mad, hopefully. So I select my units. This is my Petri dish. This little blob in the center is the antibiotic disc. So this is penicillin at 2 units, and there's already bacteria spread over this surface as he shows you in the video. When I click play, that gives me the result after 24 hours, and I then need to measure the zone of inhibition. Well, all this peachy coloured area, that's where the bacteria has grown. I want to know this white area across here. See, it's quite blurry, top and bottom, so I have to kind of deal with that, and there might be a question on that afterwards. If I click on it, I get these crosshairs off, so I'm going to say, right, well, the bottom of my diameter is 7 centimeters on this scale on the side, and the top of it is, oh, right, 3. So 7 minus 3, so that's a 4 centimeter diameter. Okay, I record that on my table, and then I click repeat reading. You see it's changed slightly, and now I have to record it again. Right, so that's 3.1 at the top, and it's 6.9 at the bottom. Do some maths, write it down, repeat reading, and then I get all those 3, and I can calculate a mean from those 3. Okay, I then move it to, I then click on that back button, change it to 4, and repeat the process. So there's a bit of a maneuvering around, okay, for you to collect the data. Once you've got the data, then on the sheet, let's go back to the sheet quickly. So task 1 was watch the video. Task 2 is gather the data. So make the table, calculate the mean values, please. Number 3 says make an accurate sketch of the mean data in your exercise book. You are plotting diameter, diameter of the zone of inhibition against concentration of penicillin. So it's the mean on this side, 1 decimal place, on the y-axis against the x-axis, which is the penicillin. So just use the lines in your page, in your exercise book, for the y-axis. It's going to, this is going to be about 6 centimeters of maximum. So if you did 2 lines for every centimeter, then you can get a reasonably accurate graph. And then just use your ruler on the bottom, ruler in case you've forgotten. Sorry if that's patronizing. Just to do your 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Don't start at 0. We're starting at 2. And then align and best fit, please. I haven't put that on here, but I shall add that after you've gone. And then there's a form for you to fill in. Obviously, use the link. Don't try and type all that in. And then there's some questions that we can then mark. Okay, and give it some thought. Don't just click through A, B, C, D. Don't just rifle through it and get it done in 5 minutes. Make sure you do it well, because then when we give you feedback, it'll mean a bit more. Okay, good luck with that.